Hey guys, what's up? And I hope you're doing well. So today we're back to another website. Like you see with me here, it's called Two Words Data Science, and it's an online platform and publication dedicated to providing high quality content and resources in the field of data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. So to get started with the website, simply head on over to Two Word Data Science or towarddatascience.com in Google or any other browser that you prefer. And here are some results that I got after my search. I have this ugermany.com, a similar website, and the official site that we want, and some people questions and their page on Twitter, and some similar websites like Kaggle. We talked about this website before in my channel. You can just check the channel to find the video. And also this similar website here, Science Direct. I will do a video about it later. So we need the official site, that means the first one, or the second one, excuse me, this one here, toward data science. Let's click on it. So once you click to the link, you get directly to the homepage or the interface of the website, where you can find all the key features that the website is present to us. And also some or these two button here where you can sign up or sign in. This one is for the first time, and this one here if you have already an account or the toward data science. So we'll come back to this page later to know more about the website, but first let me show you how to sign up for the first time on the website. We need to go over here and click on this one. For create the account, we have these three choices here. Do you want to sign up with Google or with Facebook or with email? I will choose this one here, but you can choose whatever you want. So we need to enter the email address here. And we need to complete this captcha. That means we are not a robot. Select all the squares with stars. Okay. So now this should be sent a link on our inbox of email. Okay, we need to check it out now. Okay, we need to finish creating the accounts. This link will expire in 2 hours. Okay, you have 2 hours to click on create your account, or if you pass that 2 hours, they will send to you a new link. Okay, you need just to check if this is information here are right. Okay, it's good. So I will just click on create the account. So now we have some steps and some questions that we need to answer about it to continue creating the account. The first one is what you're interested in: the programming, the data science, technology, self-improvement. So this answers for this question, it's independent to you. It's not obligatory that you answer like me. I will just choose some from here and click on continue. And after creating an account successfully, this is the home page. It will be like this, with your account here and the notification and the customer support. That means if you have any question or you get any problem, you can just contact them and write to them, and they will just answer you on your inbox. And like you see here, for the data science or the article and the tutorial here, the article and the tutorial, the Towards Data Science publishes article and tutorials written by experts in the field. The platform covers a broad range of topics, including data analysis, machine learning, algorithms, deep learning, natural language processing, data visualization, and more. The articles are informative, well researched, and often include code examples and practical demonstration. This is all the article here and or the data analysis. And here for the data science or the data science community, Towards, okay, let's click on it first. The Towards Data Science has built a strong community of data scientists, or the data science has built a strong community of data scientists, machine learning practitioners, and IA enthusiasts. Readers can engage in decisions, ask questions, and share insights in the comments section of the articles, fostering a collaborative environment. Like you see here, this is some of the data science community that the Towards Data Science presents to us or provides to us. And also we'll find from the key features on the data, this data here, this website, that mean we have the technology, or we can also call it the data science tools and technologies. So the Towards Data Science covers a wide range of tools and technologies used in data science, including popular programming languages like Python and R, libraries and frameworks such as TensorFlow and PyTorch, data visualization tools, data processing techniques, and more. The platform offers tutorials and guides to help users get started with these tools and stay up to date with the latest developments. And if you click on this for you will find the career and the professional developments, because the Towards Data Science provides resources and advices for individual seeking to pursue a career in data science or advance their exciting career. And the platform offers insights into job trends, types for building a strong data science portfolio, guidance on interview preparation, and decisions on various career paths and opportunities and field. So will be our video today. I hope you understand, and if you like it, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like this. So like usual, my guys, let me tell you bye bye to the next video and next websites. I hope you still in good health until that time.